Welcome to DIYY, Do It Yourself Your Way. This is Carla Service here teaching you how to move and how to dance. I want to welcome you once again to DIYY, Do It Yourself Your Way. I have been teaching in different parts of the world for the most of my life, and I'm here today to teach you. I've been performing and dancing in Japan, Africa, Cambodia, Belize, and I'm here today inside of your device for you. I want to help you guys get your move on, get your groove on the way that you do. Not the way that I do, but I'm going to help you get through it learning you, your moves, your spirit, your soul, your blood. Okay, so come on with me and get ready to move. There's different levels of teaching, different levels of students. Students are sometimes, just little kids. Sometimes they are adults. Sometimes they just want to lose weight. Sometimes they're professional in the music industry. Every place I go is different. What is the purpose? What is the end goal of why you are moving, of why I'm here teaching you? Right now is for like social dance. I want to make sure that when you go out to that wedding, to that birthday party, to the nightclub, that you can move and not just do that one move that you saw on TikTok. The last wedding I attended, every child was doing this. The floss, they call it. And it was like, the poor baby did not know how to dance. The parent would say, go baby, go out there and dance. And the kid would do the floss and they get tired of the floss and then they just would stand there still. So the parent would say, go ahead, keep dancing. What's happening in this generation is everyone is watching someone else dance and these children are not believing that they can dance themselves. You need to just put the music on and tell the child to go dance. Don't let them look at the video. Don't let them look at the TikTok all over and over because now they become them. They start doing what they see and not doing what is internally inside of them. You need to turn those things off, put the music on, and tell the child to go dance. That child is going to do whatever he or she wants to do that is within them. And that goes for you too. You're here to learn how to move yourself, by yourself, with yourself, okay? Not doing what you see someone else do. You're pushing the buttons and you're watching this and you're watching that and the names of these dances and you're not recognizing that you're leaving yourself. You're leaving your whole body and you're doing what their body is doing. And the other thing is everyone is doing choreography. Dance is not always about choreography. It's really just about moving your body to the rhythm and having fun with it. If you have to take time of learning this choreography, you're not having fun. Don't get me wrong. Some people really enjoy doing this and that's great. But for the person that is like, well, I want to learn how to dance and I want to go out to this club. Okay, so you're going to do that TikTok, the one you learned 2 weeks ago. And you're going to do the TikTok, the one you learned a month ago. And now what's left? You're still there with yourself. So you don't know yourself and your own move. Hell, you can make your own TikTok if that's the case. Create your own dance for you and or for others. So keep in mind, dance, when you are dancing, it is for you, okay? Not anyone else. It is for you. Are you dancing because you want to be in a music video? Are you dancing because you want to feel comfortable when you go to that wedding next week? Or to the baby shower? Or do you want to surprise your child with, look baby, I can dance? You know what I mean? So what is your purpose for moving? Is it simply to have fun? That's what I want you to do. I want you to totally have fun. Again, you can go do those TikTok things, but I still want you to do you and not think that all you are worth is what someone else has done. You have moves within yourself. Remember, even when they created that, they had to dig down in and create it themselves. And that's the same thing that you can do, is create your own, okay? As long as you take these basic moves and let these basic moves create you. I'm going to give you basics, but then you are going to put you in those basics. One of the first things I think you all should realize and to recognize is you and your body and how your body moves. Not someone else's, but how your body moves, right? Not mine, you're not me. There's only one of you. So I want you to acknowledge your body. Get it juiced up, get it moving. Try to recognize how you move when music first comes on for you. Some people start with their shoulders only. They start moving their shoulders. Some people start moving their hips naturally when the music comes on. You ever see a little baby when they hear the commercial on the television and little baby all of a sudden starts bouncing up and down? That's their move. That's the first move that they do, and that's their dance, and it's all good. Whatever your move is, it's all good because it's yours. So recognize your body. Do you first move your head? Do you first move your shoulders? Do you first move your hips? Do you move everything? Everyone is different. We are all different. We carry rhythms in different parts of our body. When we are dancing to music, however, you want to be on that rhythm and you want to be on that down beat. Honestly, you can do and be on anything you want to be truthful with you. However, if you're in a dance class or if you're dancing at a party and you want people to see that you're on the beat, then you want to follow that basic beat. But when you are around your family members or if you are at home by yourself, who cares how you're moving because it's yours and it's all good. If you're a person like me, even if I am in the public, I'm going to move the way I choose to that music and don't care about what someone else thinks. I want you to be comfortable within yourself. Don't worry about what other people think about you. Don't worry about looking like someone else because they are not you. Don't worry about that. Get that out of your brain. Get that out of your body. Get it out. It needs to get out because who cares? Why should you care? No worries about what someone else is thinking. No worries that your floss looks like toothpaste. I don't know. Just do you and do what you want to do when that music hits you. This is one of the first things I need you to practice. So I would love it if when you turn this off, you just go turn some music on and let your body move. Listen to the music and listen to you and let yourself see yourself of how it moves. If you have to be behind closed doors and no one is watching, dance like no one is watching, but pay attention to your body. Or bring your children in and let your children join in with you. Your kids are some of your best influencers. Maybe not the teenagers, but the little ones, they're the funnest people to dance around because they'll dance with you. And no matter how silly you get, they will have fun with it. Have fun with yourself. Have fun with your body. Have fun with the rhythms. If it's a music, a song that is slow, allow your body to move slow. If it's something that's fast, allow your body to move fast, however it's going to move. If it's something with a heavy, heavy, heavy downbeat, then go there and get in that downbeat. There are movements that take you up here into the air, into the sky. And there are some movements that take you down into the earth, down into the ground. Feel that. Allow yourself to feel that. Some movements are airy, and they open up your whole body and make your whole body move. Some music, you might not even get it. However your body moves to it is still okay. But again, I'm going to help you through this. I'm going to be the vessel to help you through these moves, these grooves that are you. Not me, but you. Again, this is DIYY. Do it yourself, your way, not mine. Signing off, I will see you next time on DIYY Dance.